Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk briefly about site investigation reports, or SIR. When we have a preliminary pre-application meeting with the city, we'll collect a bunch of information and then we want to pass that information on to the client. And the way we pass that information on to the client is through the site investigation report. And we have a quick document explaining what to do, and I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of what that looks like. So let's learn. Welcome back. So here I've got our document for the site investigation report, and with a little bit of information about each thing. Here are the basic components that we would want to have in this site investigation report. We've got a cover sheet and table of contents. We've got a due diligence checklist. This particular example that we're going to show you only has zoning diligence. It does not have any utility, transportation, or stormwater diligence. We've got a zoning map, documents obtained through open records request. Some projects we won't have this, but on this particular one we did. We got this one from the fire marshal's office. We also got a zoning certification letter, and it contained a lot of the relevant sections of the zoning code. So we didn't have a separate section for this, for the relevant sections of the local code, because all of that was contained in the zoning certificate. And then design guidelines or any other codes that may be beneficial. So we don't have that either. So here are the components that we have, and we'll stitch these together and then we'll look at it briefly. So we've got a cover sheet, we've got the zoning diligence, we've got the zoning map, the fire marshal's office open records request, and the zoning certificate. So we're going to copy these, combine them in Bluebeam Review. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have that in the correct order. I'm just going to type the name of this, 24/3/28 SIR, and the date. We were finished this on the 27th. It's going into my documents. We'll staple that together, and then here's the document. So here's the cover sheet. You will need to update this with each project. The table of contents, you'll need to update that with each project. Then we have the level 1 zoning diligence. This project really only needed some basic diligence because no work is going to be done. The client just wanted us to check zoning, but many times for the zoning diligence you'll have level 1 and level 2 zoning diligence, and then you could also, most likely would also have utility diligence, transportation diligence, and stormwater diligence. But again, on this project we didn't have that. Here's the zoning map. You'll just need to take a screenshot, put this in here. You'll put it into a Word document and then just print that one page to a PDF or save it as a PDF. And so you'll need to just put the relevant information in there along with the zoning map. And then here is the open records request that we got from the fire marshal's office, and it has information about the building, has some old plans from when the Bank of America was built, and then we have a zoning certification letter, and all of this other information and plans came from the county as part of that zoning certificate. And so all of that is packaged in together into this site investigation report. And did we copy that over? Save job, no. Modified, here it is. I'm going to copy it over from another screen, move to here, and so here's our final site investigation report that we will send to the client. And so that's it for this episode, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.